Good morning, viewers. This is our latest product. This is a made in Turkey pan connector. This is made in Turkey with our brand name Anka. This is non-return valve pan connector. We call it anti-snake bite. For those individuals who have suffered snake bite through their WC, with this you will no longer experience such a thing. Bye-bye to snake bite through WC. People has complained so much snake has killed too many people through their WC, through sewage. They get into the WC sewage tank, they get to the WC. No more snake bite when you get this. So the way it works, as it is fixed, you flush, it opens. After flushing, it closes back. You flush, it opens. When the